So today I'm going to show you how to set up a Git repository on Godot. I'm going to use GitHub Desktop. Here the link to download is in the description, and I don't understand it that well. It's just I had trouble finding out how to actually do it, so I'm going to tell you so it's easier for other people. To create a repository, you first need on your Godot project to go in asset lib and download the Godot Git plugin 4.1 plus. Because I'm using, as you can see here, 4.2.2 stable version of Godot. But just download the Godot Git plugin that looks like this by writing Git in your search bar. When you have it in project version control, you can do version control settings and turn some, like, connect to VCS on. You can't apply if you don't do it. You do that, you do apply, and in the project folder and where you put it, it will create a git attribute and git ignore a text file, which is normal. It's for GitHub to read it. And then you need to you add a repository, but you don't create a new one. You add an existing repository because you just created it with the add-on. So you go in TF2 casual clicker, that's the name of my game. You go on your game, I don't know where you put it, so you go in your game, over here you select it, and it's supposed to be alright. If it's not, you can't click add repository, it's because you didn't create it or something. So add repository, and now there's all the scripts I have, and I can publish it, but I already did, so I'm gonna delete the old one. So I'm back. I had a lot of technical problems because I deleted the thing and I wasn't supposed to, but the thing that you should know is publish should be here. You should click publish, and like it will create a new repository, because it's not supposed to be a lock, it's supposed to be a computer because it's local. When it's a lock, it's published but private, because I put it private on my account. And if you change something, for example, I change here, I move it to the right and I save it. Here you see the change that I made. I don't want it. Discard all changes or stash. It's the same. Discard just deletes them. Stash like stores them in case you still want to reuse them. So if I do stash, they're here. I could always say restore or delete. I don't want these changes, so I discard them, and then I fetch origin so that it's back to normal. And when I go back here, it's like, oh my god, the files have changed. You do reload, and now the change is reverted. That's what it's for. So that's pretty much it. It's just to go back to the last version. So don't save all the time. Save when before doing something risky you think will maybe break all your game, and if it does, you can stash or discard and then fetch origin to get back your game in a good state. If you like the tutorial, you can subscribe to my channel. I will do some more tutorials about Godot, and if you're interested in my games, maybe you can subscribe too. If you found it useful, you can like the video, and thank you for watching.